So this is basically a trig transformations question. So there are a couple things you need to know to be able to do this. You can also do our trig lesson, which has a great explanation of transformations, but I'll give you what you need to be able to solve this question here. First thing that you need to know about these transformations is that the coefficient is the amplitude. Amplitude is how high up or down it goes from wherever it is. So if it's just sine of x, it's going to be right on the x-axis, just going up and down and up and down. And since there is no coefficient there, it's just 1, which means it's going to go up to 1, down to -1, up to 1, down to -1, again and again forever in both directions. The number at the end is telling us how far up or down we're going to move this trig function. So if c was 5, it would move the entire trig function up 5 units, which would mean that it would go up to 6 and down to 4. And it would just keep going right along that 5 on the y-axis, up 1, down 1, up 1, down 1, above that 5. And so that's what the C is telling us. If it was down 5, it would take the whole thing down 5 units. So it's asking us, how much do we need to increase C by or decrease C by so that this function will never touch the x-axis? If we only move C up 1, since this function is going down 1 every time, it would still be touching the x-axis. If we only move it down 1, it would still be going up and touching the x-axis. So it must be either more than 1 or go down further than -1, which is going to be answer D.